Read the question carefully and identify the number of balls of each color. It is given that there is a total of 35 balls, 7 are black and 8 are yellow. Here it says that the remaining balls will be either white or red. To calculate the number of balls which remain. So the number of remaining balls is 35 minus bracket 7 plus 8, which gives 20. We have to determine the number of red balls. So we take x as the number of red balls, so that 20 minus x will be the number of white balls. We will use this to find the probability of taking a red ball and the probability of taking a white ball, and apply this condition to determine x. Now use the given condition and solve for x. So x equal to 15, this means there are 15 red balls, and 20 minus x will give you 5 white balls. We have found that there are 5 white balls. Also number of black balls was 7. So the required probability will be 7 plus 5, the whole divided by 35.